I want to ask you about this watch. And this watch is uniting two of the signature complications of Chopard L.U.C. Of course, the full strike minute repeater with its amazing sapphire gongs, but also a tourbillon, a 4 Hertz tourbillon in an all-new caliber.
Well, I would say according to our tradition, we didn't want to stop at the full strike. And we wanted to add an additional complication and a signature complication on top of that, which would be our very typical tourbillon, which you know from the tourbillon quattro.
Right.
But this one doesn't have 4 barrels. It's actually been readapted or adapted to the basic movement of the full strike itself.
Right.
It has very fittingly a sapphire bridge, so you have a full view of what you want to see, and it works just as well, again, as the full strike in terms of sound. So you may want to hear.
That's incredible. I love the use of the sapphire bridge as well, and I love that sort of like clin d'oeil at the sapphire gongs. I think that's such a beautiful touch. That's absolutely stunning. You know, and sometimes the thing that people don't even talk about that much is just the level of finish in these movements as well. Like when I look at this movement, I see the internal angles, and I know that those can only be done by hand.
Well, it's the Poinçon de Genève finish.
Yes.
All the way, of course.
Poinçon de Genève, cost certified, sapphire gong, minute repeater, and tourbillon, 4 Hertz.
Yes.
Wow.